Hey guys, do you love AI? Or have you been using AI to do different things in your work, making research or different things? I don't know what you've been using it to do, but I am here with good news to tell you that you can still earn money using AI. So many people say AI is everywhere, it's taking up all the human space. No way, you can still help AI to earn money because AI it can't be perfect like human beings. So there are companies there which are willing to pay you to help them to correct AI mistakes. So if that's what you are looking for, I'm going to give you different websites where you can earn money by collecting AI mistakes that they have made. So if that's what you are looking for, this is the video for you. Let's get into the video. But if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria and I talk about different ways on how to make money online. I mean, real ways that I have tried and they have worked for me. So that's what I talk about on this YouTube channel. And if this video is giving you real value and it has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, click that bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thank you for doing that. I love you. Yes, this is a website that pays you to correct mistakes that AI has made. You know, AI can't be perfect like human beings. Yes, and they tell you make data, they correct data from different AI platforms and they bring them here on their platform. They hire freelancers like you to help them collect the tasks, to correct the English, to do transcription. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this website and how the website looks like. As you see here, they tell you Happen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. So you will be helping AI to collect things that have gone wrong. You know, maybe they were speaking and they didn't put the grammar correctly, punctuation. So that's where you come in and you help AI. So this is how it looks like, the website. And if you want to come here to sign up to do tasks or to work for them as a freelancer, you just come down here where it says join our crowd. Yes, so you click there on join our crowd. When you join there, they will take you to a page where you can sign up. You go through the sign up process, then you can start earning money. They have different tasks. They will give you tasks according to your device. They can give you tasks and they tell you this task can be done on a computer or a phone, or they'll send you an email when anytime they have tasks and they will tell you we have a task so and so and we need a person who has an iPhone, or we need this. So that's how they do it. They always send you emails. Yes, so if you want to get started, you just click here on get started, you put in your email address, you log in, and then you will be a member of Happen and you will start working and you start earning money on this platform. So that's how it works and that's how easy it is. It's not difficult. You'll be doing things like naming labels. It's not that difficult. Or they will give you an audio and they will tell you to listen to it. Then they will tell you to write what was said in the audio. So that's what people mostly do here. As you can see, some people here are using their phones, are using their computers. So you can do it at home and at any time that you want. And even if sometimes you don't log in the platform, they'll send you an email if there is any task and that task matches with your profile. So that's how they do it. Then another website that I'm going to talk about, it's this website. It's called Never AI, and they tell you join the next evolution. So they tell you be part of a community that is shaping the future. So you can sign up here using your email address or your Facebook. Yes. So when you sign up on this platform, you will also be helping to collect AI mistakes. You will be doing transcription, data labeling, writing, and their tasks are easy and they pay quickly. They don't have a threshold that you're supposed to reach. As long as you work, they will send your money to PayPal. Yes, they will send your money to PayPal. So this is not AI for you. Signing up is not that difficult, and their tasks are not difficult. They are simple and easy. Yes, so another website that I'm going to talk about is this one is Tolka, and I've been using this website. It has also been here for a long time. They tell you powering AI with human insight. You help AI, as I told you at the beginning of this video, to do different things where AI couldn't be perfect. That's where human beings come in and they help AI. Yes, as many people are saying, AI is taking up space, taking up all the work. It can't finish everything by itself. As the saying goes, we all need help. We need to help each other. So you still need to help AI as it's helping you. So that's how it is. So if you want to sign up on this Toloka, they also, the thing is the same. They will be sending you to different websites. They will be giving you products that you will review, you collect the mistakes, and they will be giving you different, like, let me say, exam, or you can do a small test. So when you do that test, you qualify for that task, or if you fail the test, they will give you another task. And in case there is a task that you've been doing well, they will send you that emails to, for you to be notified anytime they put in new tasks. In case you haven't checked in, you can use all these platforms that I'm giving you on your smartphone, on your computer, any device actually you have can work for you. Yes, so this is how it works. You just come here, sign up, and you start doing tasks. Doing tasks is not difficult. As you can see here, they will tell you which type of shoes it's here. You can either click it's boots, sneakers, it depends what you are seeing. Yes, so you click on that, and if all your answers are collected, they will credit you your money. Yes, they will credit your money, and your money will come into your bank account. They pay via Pioneer and some local banks in the places where you are in. Like where I am, they can pay via Pioneer and using some local banks in this country I am in. So the next platform that I'm going to talk about is Remote Task. Yes, you can also do remote tasks here and you get paid. Yes, for helping AI, they are telling you here, and while doing online tasks from home. So you can start earning today. As long as you sign up, you have an email address and a password. That's the procedure to also sign up on this process, and you get paid weekly. You can get paid via PayPal, via Airtm. Airtm is a good payment method that is all over 400 countries. So if you're in a place where there is no PayPal, you can use Airtm to get paid. So here they will also tell you to be telling things like, here they'll ask you what's the difference. So you're supposed to do that, tell them what's the difference. Like this, also they will tell you this task is difficult or this task is easy. And that's what you are only supposed to do here. Then you start to get what? To get paid on this platform. That's how it works. Yes. And another platform here is this platform which is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Yes, also here on Amazon. Amazon is a company known globally, yes, for its services. People go there to buy a lot of things, and they still need people to help them collect some mistakes. Yes, so they need members. As you can see, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a crowd surfing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to distribute workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. So you can perform these tasks virtually at the comfort of your home. These websites I've given you, all of them, you can work on them at the comfort of your home. You don't have to go anywhere. You can stay anywhere you are, or in a park you start working. Then what you also need to sign up on this, you also need just an email address and a website. Then another website I'm going to talk about is Hive Micro. Yes, Hive Micro is also the same. You just earn by making simple jobs like the one I've been telling you on different websites. That's what you are going to do. Like here, you submit a task, they will tell you to label if it's a car or not a car, and they will give you a test to walk you through before you start doing that assignment. And the assignments are so much sometimes, and you get paid via PayPal. That's how they pay. So there they tell you how it works. They tell you sign up, apply for jobs, complete tasks, and get paid. You get paid via PayPal and cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency they are paying you through is Bitcoin. Yes, so that's how you can get paid on this website, and that's how it works here. There is nothing difficult that you cannot do. Anybody with or without experience can go on these websites and start working right away, and you start earning money on these websites. Yes. So that's it for today.